Annie.
And
the
thank
sun
goodness,
will come out.
Yeah, the sun will come out tomorrow.
Unfortunately again.
Unfortunately, the sun is down when the play starts there every night at Zilker Theater because it is still very, very warm. You need those little squirt bottles, you know, even to get you through the early first act, probably. Today, one of those days that is typical, again, of midsummer, not early summer, but I'm becoming a broken record on this thing. We've seen this kind of weather since early May now, fairly consistently. Here's our evening planning forecast. You saw a quick peek outside there live with just a few clouds. 94 degrees our current temperature. At 8 p.m. tonight we're at 90, and at 10 p.m. we're at 85 degrees. This should really come as no surprise. Most, not only of the U.S. and Northern Hemisphere, but the globe experiencing unusually warm weather now. In fact, new information in from the National Climatic Data Center in my blog posting today, right here at KXAN.com, letting us know that May 2010, last month, became the Earth's hottest May on record. And, of course, we've got temperature records, thermometer readings dating back 130 years. The month before that, April, was the hottest April ever. The period January through May, the hottest period ever since records began. So, again, it's not just around here, it's around the globe. In fact, that little map right there that you're looking at, every little red dot on it around the Earth represents an area that was hotter than normal in May. Would you look at that? Very few locations, part of the western United States, in fact, part of the only areas where the temperatures were actually a little cooler than average on the whole planet. Temperatures 94 in the city now, 94 down LaGrange, 94 in Giddings. In the hill country, 99 in Llano. That's the thermometer reading. Now let's look at the humidity factored in. And it feels like 103 in Llano and 100 in Georgetown, 104 down in San Marcos, 103 the current heat index in LaGrange. In Austin, again, officially 94 and 95 out at the airport. Skies are partly cloudy, a 3 to 6 mile per hour wind. Sunset tonight still holding at 8:36, at least for just a little while longer. We'll start trending earlier in the evening now that we are past the summer solstice. Mold count 562 is medium. Allergy forecast for Wednesday. We'll keep that mold in the medium category, we do believe. Around Texas, it's even hotter to our west. 102 in San Angelo, 103 in Midland, 99 degrees up in Dallas today, 93 degrees over in Houston. Ridge of high pressure, you can kind of see everything sort of circulating around us here. That is keeping us rain-free here in our part of the state right now. Now, this high is going to shift a little bit to the north over the next couple of days, and underneath it, an easterly wind flow is going to allow a little disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico to work towards central Texas. So we're keeping our fingers crossed for maybe a couple of isolated showers as early as tomorrow, especially from I-35 east, and then hopefully a little more and maybe over more of the area on Thursday. Here's that disturbance out in the Caribbean we've been tracking. It's actually not as organized today as it was yesterday, and let me show you the computer model tracks. This still could become a tropical storm. The models don't agree, but as we zoom in on these tracks here, notice they're all coming into the Gulf of Mexico. Some of them kind of heading up generally toward Texas, others into eastern Mexico, and one that we don't care much for here turns it northward up toward the oil spill area. So we'll keep you posted on what could eventually become Tropical Storm Alex, but not anytime soon. Tonight, low temperatures, low and mid-70s. Highs tomorrow, just like today, close to mid-90s in most areas. 75 in Austin tonight, some low clouds. 96 tomorrow, lots of sunshine. On the 7-day forecast, we'll put in a slight chance tomorrow, mainly east of Austin. 20% chance on Thursday. I may be a little pessimistic there. Maybe we'll see a little more than that. Just a slight chance on Friday. High pressure builds back in this weekend, and we're just real hot and dry again. Our next chance next Tuesday could come from that little system out in the Gulf of Mexico getting a little closer.